Hello, my name is Parker Jones. I am just doing a demonstration for the Church Movies app thing. So just to specify things that I did, on the footer I added my name, the current year, my name, and state I am from. I changed the coloring scheme to kind of like gold and blue. I want it to be kind of like gold for like gold plates or Book of Mormon, and like the blue for the Book of Mormon. So just going for that. If we go to the movie app, it shows our seed data, which is just for movies that are church movies. It shows all of their info. We can edit them however we want, specifically the genre here. Instead of being able to type it in, now it's just a drop down that has 4 options. You can go back, and if we wanted to create new, that drop down is still there as well. We can create one. Joseph Smith movie created. I have no idea, so I'm going to just put in a random day there. I would call that more of a maybe not documentary, just drama. And that one's going to be free. Let's just see if it, oh, no, must be a number. So we'll go 0, 199, how's that? Perfect. Rating, it's probably either PG or G, so we're going to go PG, create. Now you have the Joseph Smith movie there. We can go here, and we can only look at the documentaries. It's just the one. We can go back to all, and we can type in Mormon, and it will give us just those 2 movies there. Yeah, these are the 2 dramas. So, and then we also have, if we go back to just the normal list, with the ability to delete as well, and then it removes it from there. So that is it.